An options page is available at GTD Options, which allows you to manage your settings information for the add-in. You can find great information in the help file also installed with the add-in and available at GTD Help. On the General tab, the Completed Items settings allows you to control when completed items are deleted from Outlook. You may set the number of days after which an item will be deleted and the number of days in between reminders, or use the up-down arrows to update. The add-in will not delete anything without asking you. You may immediately delete all completed items meeting the criteria by clicking the Delete Now button. Before an item is removed, it must be completed. The modified date must be older than the number of days set, and the task must be a Getting Things Done task. A Getting Things Done task is a task generated from processing a message or creating a new task and assigning a project or action. The Custom Form settings allows you to use a custom task form in your task folder or calendar folder. Using a custom form with the add-in requires that certain fields exist on the form. Please refer to the help topic on this subject. Throughout the application, there are warning messages letting you know what is going to happen. If you decide you want to turn the warnings back on or turn them off now, you can do so under Dialog Warnings. On the Defaults tab, you can update your available defaults throughout the application. On each of the GTD buttons, such as Delegate, Defer, and Action, you have a form that you can populate before completing the processing. There are checkboxes and values on the form that can be defaulted depending on how you work. For example, if you don't want to show the task after you process a message, or you don't want to include the contents of the message in the body of the appointment or task, you can change the defaults here. On the Ribbons tab, you can choose to show toolbars, or you can update the toolbars drop list links throughout the application. For example, if most of your projects have very large names, you may wish to customize the toolbar, making the width longer and making it easier for you to read the name. Click the Drop List tab to set the drop list order or the most recently used options here. Make any changes and click OK to save the changes. You might have noticed that every form you have worked on has a Help button on it. This button will open the help file and take you directly to the topic about the form with which you are working. Use these buttons to help get familiar with the application. You can change the location of the GTD folders, such as Add Action, At Deferred, At Waiting For, Snooze, and Someday folders, and your archive path in the Folders tab. And that's all the options we have for you today.